We love Hakka to enrich your Taiwan experience. Learn about Hakka language and culture.
每天收听客家风情，学习另一种不同文化，让你生活更有趣。
Liu Guoxuan excelled in the martial arts and archery as a youth, growing up in the Hakka stronghold of Changding in Fujian province. When Manchu troops from the Qing dynasty advanced into Fujian in the 17th century, Liu took up arms. During this time, he met the Taiwan hero Guo Xingye, also known as Zheng Chenggong. In 1661, Liu joined Guo Xingye in his drive to expel the Dutch from Taiwan and return the island to Han Chinese rule. Not long afterwards, Guo Xingye died suddenly, with his son taking over. Liu was dispatched to northern Taiwan to fortify control. Liu made strong advances, convincing the natives to join the anti-Qing struggle, and was later promoted to oversee both army and navy operations, operating out of a base on the offshore island of Penghu. Welcome back to our Hakka lesson of the day. I'm Joseph Lin.
Hello, 你好，大家好，我是 Alice Peng.
Alice, you know what? Today we should talk about what Chinese people would do during New Year's, because it's just around the corner. And there are a lot of things that Chinese traditionally do. One is to get together with family to have a good meal. The other one for kids is to get red envelopes. Maybe some people want to play with firecrackers. Some people buy new clothes. There's a lot of things to do. 所以我们今天来教这个新年我们做的事情的话，哈卡怎么说？比如说吃团圆饭。
吃团圆饭。
吃团圆饭，团圆 is like get together, right? And fun is like a meal, so it's a get together meal with family. How about for the kids? 小朋友呢，想要拿压岁钱，
拿长年钱。
长年钱，长年钱是压岁钱。压
岁钱
哦，拿长年钱。That means get some red envelopes. This got to be very careful. But some people like to play with firecrackers. 想要放鞭炮。大
字炮。
啊？
大字炮。
大字炮啊。
没啦，
我们现在在看大字报，在教我们的哈卡。
大字炮，
大字炮，就是放鞭炮啊，听起来好奇怪哦。大字炮 and 买新衣，
买新衫。
买新衫，that means buy some new clothes for the new year. Okay, let's review some of those vocabularies one more time right here. How about get together meal?
吃团圆饭。
Get some red envelopes.
拿长年钱。
Play with firecrackers.
大字炮.
Okay, and buy some new clothes.
买新衫.
And that's it for our Hakka lesson of the day. My name is Joseph Lin.
什么太嘎？
俺只是张来了。
客家风情由行政院客家委员会监制，邀您一起体验另一种不同的客家文化之美。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Commission of the Executive Yuan to enrich your Taiwan experience.